Number 1. ISO 9001, the foundation of quality. Would you trust a company that has no quality checks? ISO 9001 sets the basic framework for quality management systems, ensures that processes are standardized, documented and continuously improved. A forging supplier with ISO 9001 follows consistent quality checks and strict process control. Impact on forging quality: reduces defects, improves consistency and ensures traceability. Would you buy a smartphone from a brand with no quality standards? Then why trust a forging supplier without ISO 9001?